Water is the base for any life. Chennai as a city had surplus water once. With our marshland, with our 2 rivers and the lakes and the ponds, now we have acute water shortage. Garbage is the main threat that we have. We do not have a proper waste management system. Lakes and ponds have become dump yards. This used to be a beautiful water body which used to have a southern end stream which runs into another lake. All that's gone now. What you see now is paradise converted into hell. And this is not just happening at this dump yard, but in almost every dump yard in this city. EFI is Environmentalist Foundation of India. We focus on wildlife conservation, habitat restoration.
Plastic is the complex polymer. Plastic is a complex polymer.
We are adopting water bodies, cleaning them and restoring them. But cleaning the lake is just one part of it. The biggest complication here is changing people's mindset and their belief system. We as a nation love our dance, drama, music and colors. That's exactly what we do when it comes to conservation too. To communicate what we are doing to people. When we protect a lake, fish first returns, tadpoles, frogs, reptiles, amphibians, birds, they all start coming back. The number one challenge, not just the city of Chennai, but the whole of India, is getting people to understand that growth, development needs to be holistic. Once that challenge is tackled, this conservation project is not just going to be done by a few. So far, we've cleaned 12 lakes across India, 5 in Hyderabad, 4 in Chennai, 1 each in Delhi, Kolkata and Rajkot. When we show them that change is possible, I'm sure even the hardest minds could be changed. We are ready for this challenge. We have taken it up. We are not going to stop. Environmentalist Foundation of India focuses on wildlife conservation and habitat restoration. We are looking at creating a biodiversity within urban nerve centers through lake restoration projects. Water is the elixir of life and is the base for any life form. So we're trying to clean up lakes, water bodies in cities in India and then make sure we plant native Indian species plants around which we hope a new leash of life will start. That's whole what we do. We've so far cleaned 17 lakes in India, which has been quite a feat. More than an achievement, we'll call it a way forward, and it's given us the confidence to look for a greener tomorrow. And the biggest success of Environmentalist Foundation of India would be that the kind of people whom we have attracted to join us are all the volunteers who are aged between 11 and 17, who are the change for tomorrow. They're proud members of EFI, and we don't have a hierarchy here. They're all the ones who run this organization. So that's been the most successful thing. As a country, we love our music, we love our dance, and we're very artistic. So I present it to people in the most artistic and the most entertaining way, environmental issues. Because when I'm going to be sitting in an audience where I have lectures on environment, climate change, global warming, given for hours together, even I lose interest. So I want to take it to the audience in a way they like it, which is again through street plays, dance, musicals and our documentary films. So that is how we sensitize people. And EFI is Environmentalist Foundation of India, an organization that focuses on wildlife conservation and habitat restoration. EFI started in 2007 with operations in Chennai and Hyderabad, is today spread across 8 states in the country. The primary project at EFI is the scientific lake restoration effort, through which the organization has been successful in restoring over 39 freshwater bodies such as lakes, ponds and rivulets. In addition to this, the organization has initiated a massive community-based conservation effort which aims at bringing the people towards conservation of freshwater bodies. This is done through dedicated weekend volunteering opportunities through which the organization has cleaned over 83 lakes in the country. Dedicated school and college-based orientation programs help EFI recruit volunteers for its projects. In addition to this, EFI collaborates with the government, the corporates, and all the like-minded nature enthusiasts in conserving what is left in our cities of Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Coimbatore, and more. EFI aims at result-oriented, real-time conservation efforts. Through street theatre, public wall paintings, and documentary films, the organization builds its volunteer force. EFI aims to be the platform where all like-minded nature enthusiasts can work towards real-time projects.